Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Ready to master the art of keeping your car spotless? In this ultimate guide, we're diving into practical tips and tricks to maintain a consistently clean vehicle inside and out. Join us as we uncover the secrets to always having your car looking its best, no matter where the road takes you. The ultimate guide to always keeping your car clean. Maintaining a clean car is essential for both the vehicle's longevity and your overall driving experience. In this post, we will discuss practical tips and strategies to help you keep your car consistently clean and organized. From simple daily habits to more thorough cleaning routines, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and ensure that your car remains a clean and inviting space at all times. Establish a routine. Maintaining a clean car is not just a one-time task. It requires a consistent routine to keep it looking its best. By scheduling regular cleaning sessions and creating a maintenance plan, you can ensure that your car stays clean and tidy without too much effort. Schedule regular cleaning sessions. Set aside dedicated time at regular intervals to clean your car thoroughly. Whether it's a weekly or bi-weekly schedule, having a specific time blocked off for car cleaning helps you stay committed to the task. This can be especially helpful if you lead a busy lifestyle, as these regular sessions become part of your routine. Create a maintenance plan. Develop a maintenance plan that outlines specific cleaning tasks to be done on a regular basis. This could include weekly vacuuming, monthly waxing, and quarterly deep cleaning. Having a plan in place ensures that no aspect of car cleanliness is overlooked and helps in prioritizing tasks effectively. Declutter regularly. Dispose of trash immediately. One of the simplest ways to maintain a clean car is by disposing of trash immediately. Every time you exit your vehicle, take a quick look around to ensure that you're not leaving any wrappers, bottles, or other rubbish behind. Keeping a small trash bag or container in your car can make this process even easier. By making a habit of removing trash as soon as possible, you prevent the buildup of clutter and maintain a tidy car interior. Use organizers and storage solutions. Investing in organizers and storage solutions for your car can significantly reduce clutter and keep your vehicle clean. Utilize trunk organizers, seat back organizers, and console organizers to keep items neatly stored and prevent them from rolling around or getting scattered. Additionally, consider using storage solutions such as car hooks, cargo nets, and seat gap fillers to keep items in place and minimize clutter. By implementing these organizational tools, you can maintain a clean and tidy car interior effortlessly. Investing in high-quality seat covers and floor mats can significantly help in maintaining a clean interior. Seat covers act as a protective barrier against spills, dirt, and pet hair, while floor mats prevent debris from accumulating on your car's carpet. Clean spills and stains promptly. Accidents happen, but it's essential to address spills and stains promptly to prevent them from becoming set in and harder to remove. Keep a portable stain remover or a mixture of mild soap and water in your car to tackle spills as soon as they occur. Blot the area gently and avoid rubbing to prevent the stain from spreading. By implementing these practices, you can safeguard your car's interior from everyday wear and tear, keeping it clean and inviting for both you and your passengers. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Exterior maintenance. Regular car washes are the foundation of keeping your car's exterior looking clean and fresh. By removing dirt, grime, and environmental pollutants, you not only maintain the appearance of your vehicle but also prevent potential damage to the paint and finish. Aim to wash your car at least every 2 weeks, or more frequently if you frequently drive on dusty or dirt roads. When it comes to preserving the shine and protecting your car's paint job, waxing and polishing are essential. Waxing provides a protective layer that shields the paint from the elements, while polishing helps to restore the smoothness of the paint surface, removing minor imperfections and enhancing the overall shine. Aim to wax your car every 3 months to maintain that glossy finish and protect it from environmental wear and tear. Invest in quality cleaning products. When it comes to keeping your car clean, investing in high-quality cleaning products is essential. Opt for gentle yet effective car wash soaps, microfiber cloths, wheel cleaners, glass cleaners, and interior cleaners. Look for pH-balanced and non-abrasive products to ensure they won't damage your car's paint or interior surfaces. Selecting the right cleaning supplies can make a significant difference in the outcome of your car cleaning routine. Pay attention to the specific needs of your vehicle, such as the type of paint and the material of the interior surfaces, to make informed choices. Properly store your cleaning products. To maintain the effectiveness of your cleaning products, it's important to store them properly. Keep them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, extreme temperatures, and moisture. This will help preserve the quality and performance of the products, ensuring they remain effective for longer periods. Storing your cleaning products in an organized manner also makes it easier to access them when needed, streamlining the car cleaning process and saving time. Investing in quality cleaning products and taking the time to select the right supplies and store them properly will contribute to the overall cleanliness and appearance of your car. Professional detailing. Car detailing involves a comprehensive cleaning and restoration of your vehicle, enhancing its appearance and increasing its longevity. Professional detailing services offer a range of advantages, ensuring your car maintains a pristine condition throughout the year. Consider professional detailing services. Professional detailers are equipped with advanced tools, products, and expertise to thoroughly clean and protect your vehicle. They have the knowledge to address specific issues such as paint correction, interior cleansing, and safeguarding against environmental damage. By entrusting your car to professionals, you can enjoy a meticulously maintained vehicle without having to invest your own time and effort. Opt for seasonal detailing. Seasonal changes bring varying challenges for your car, from salt and grime in winter to pollen and UV exposure in summer. Opting for seasonal detailing ensures that your vehicle is tailored to withstand the specific conditions of each season. This approach safeguards your car's exterior and interior from wear and tear caused by seasonal elements, maintaining its cleanliness and structural integrity year-round. In conclusion, keeping your car clean doesn't have to be a daunting task. By establishing a regular cleaning routine, investing in the right cleaning products, and being mindful of your daily habits, you can ensure that your car always looks its best. Not only does a clean car make a positive impression, but it also helps maintain its value and prolong its lifespan. With these simple tips, you can enjoy the satisfaction of driving a clean and well-maintained vehicle every day. Hope these tips help you keep your car shining. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a clean vehicle, and with these strategies, you're well equipped to keep your car in pristine condition. Stay tuned for more car care insights. Until next time, drive clean and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.